Hello friends, I have Plesk CMS for the manage my web server. When I try to browse my web page, there is a your connection is not private. This type of error I can see. Now I am going to fix this error. Okay, first I log into Plesk cPanel. This is the shared web hosting. This is for shared web hosting package. So you can go to the domain here and find the security here SSL TLS certificate. Click on it. Okay friends. Okay, please check the secured component. The first one is secured, this one is a working. The thing is, if I enter the domain name with www prefix, I can see this type of error message: your connection is not private. That's mean still I don't install uh, SSL certificate for this one with www.dan my domain. So now I am going to install certificate again. Okay friends, you can click on reuse certificate. Okay, click on reissue certificate, then go down. I'm going to install the this one free certificate. Let's encrypt basic certificate. Click on install. Okay friends, I want to install certificate for the including www and webmail. Click on this one. Okay, then I want to put my mail address here. Okay, please wait while record type text. Okay, okay, okay. I open the new tab and go to hosting and DNS and click on DNS. Then I want to add this record, txt type record. Okay, type txt. Okay, then put this domain here. Okay, record, this is the record. You want to put this value. Okay, put tst record. Okay, okay friends, click on update. Okay, okay friends, okay, congratulations. Now install uh, SLS certificate for this one. Okay, we will try again. www prefix. Okay, okay, it is working. Okay friends, website and domains. Dashboard. Okay friends, I think you can use these techniques to fix issues with your DNS, your certificate, SSL certificate. Thanks for watching. If you have any problems, you can comment below.